Hey, here's a great tip for growing your YouTube channel fast. What's up, y'all? It's your man Earl Batman Stringer, and in this video I want to share a quick tip on a fast way, one of the fastest way that I know to grow a YouTube channel. A lot of people are jumping into YouTube every day, and one of the first things that they realize is, oh man, to monetize my videos, like I got to get at least 1,000 subscribers, and I got to get 4,000 hours of watch time. So a lot of people jump in, then they be like, oh my, this is harder than I thought. But it doesn't have to be, guys. Just with my experience lately, just with this channel, one thing that I noticed that really helped me out is posting more consistently. Right? A lot of people talk about it, and a lot of people don't do it. Because I have, if y'all know how many YouTube channels I had, y'all just be ashamed of me right now. But I have a lot of YouTube channels, and some of them I'm not that consistent. I might post once a week, sometimes once every 10 days, stuff like that. With this channel, if you notice, I'm post at least 5 days out the week, right? Like Monday through Friday, I try to, and if I miss a day, I'll upload one on the weekend. All right. So in my opinion, if you're just getting started, I would recommend posting as frequently as you can. All right. And try to be as, like, if you're going to do, say, 3 videos a week, try to do Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Or if you do Monday and Tuesday, then do Monday and Tuesday every week. Try to be consistent, because apparently YouTube rewards consistently. We all know YouTube is all over the place, crazy as it want to be. But one thing that I can say, I've noticed my subscribers going up ever since I started posting more content on a regular basis, right? So if you're watching this video right now and you're not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe, because I told you, I'm always dropping content. So like I said, this is a great tip if you're just getting started, or maybe you just been, involved with YouTube and kind of struggling a little bit. I ain't nowhere, huge yet on YouTube. Like, I got a little over 5,000 subscribers, as you can see, but it's growing ever since, I started being more consistent with this channel. So hopefully this video helped you out, get you going with YouTube. If you want to check out, and I talked about it in previous videos, a great tool that I use to help me rank my YouTube videos and find good keywords, Traffic Xtractor. Link in the description of this video. Definitely check that out, guys, if you really want to step up your YouTube game. It's definitely worth it. But other than that, guys, consistency. Get consistent. Pick a schedule, whatever works for you. And rock it out, man. And try to provide content with each video, and just take it from there. All right. Hopefully this video helped you out. Be sure to comment, share, and subscribe. Till the next time. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.